Stephen White 20071806, Food App for Mobile App Dev 2. Click into it, you get a splash screen. You're asked to register or log in. This is done via Firebase, so we will register right now. Put in the name of my dog, why not? Once signed up, the user can go in and they'll have a selection of menus. So they have the maps menu, which if they click onto it, will show their current location, or they can search for, say for example, Dublin, and it'll bring to Dublin. From Dublin here, as it's using the Google Maps API, you can go see other parts there that would be of interest. For example, since we're using the food app, you can go search around so you can find anywhere of interest where you can eat. So you can see there, church, cafe, bar and restaurant. Why not go there from you? I can press this icon here to bring me back home if needs be. At the top menu, there's a home icon which will bring us back to the original menu we were at. Now we have menu text and menu images. Both are using a CRUD system, one only with text and one which will allow you to upload an image. I'll explain a bit more in a moment. So we'll start off with the menu text. So as you can see, I have two values already brought in via Firebase. If I click onto them, I can either update them, so I can change that to burger. It updates there now. Little icon just to prove look, that's done. Excuse me. I can click it again and delete it if I don't want it. So that demonstrates an update, delete and a read. Now we need to actually add. So I've used a bottom navigation bar. So if I click add, it brings to a menu where I can add the food. So let's say wrap from Maxall, and it costs 3. Once the food is added, it'll bring us back to our read menu, so you can see that it's both there. Also along the bottom navigation line is the maps icon, which will bring us to the maps class. So if I want to go back to my menu text, main menu, I just hit the home button up here. Now we have menu images, where we do not have any images up right now, but if I go to add and I decide to choose a file, enter a file name, so let's enter in wrap, say Maxall, and say 3. I'm going to go fetch a video. It'll actually go into my device, so I'll just cut it and I'll come back once the file is loaded. So here it is, we just brought in this picture here. It's on my phone, so there you go. It's a banana. Hit upload. There's a icon down there that will prompt you to say if it's successful. Now we can either go show uploads, which will show us the read part of it all, or we can hit food. So I'm just going to hit show uploads. So it should do that, and we should be able to see the image will get cropped. So as that image wasn't that great, it's not going to be 100% there. Now, my problem and the reason why I did a text as well was I couldn't get an update working with the images. But I did get a delete. So delete, and it's gone. So there is a create, read, and delete for images, while there is a fully working CRUD for the text. Google Maps API, Firebase authentication. Now, if I go hit my 3 dots up in the menu, I can either go to profile, logout. Logout will just bring us back to that menu which asks us to register or log in. If I kill the app, and load back in, it still has the instance that my account is still logged in. So it's persistence in that way, in that it'll keep that user until logged out. If I go into the profile tab here now, it will welcome the email and prompt you for two different icons. It'll ask you to delete or log out.